Hey everyone, Grundy Railfan here, and what we got today, Santa seemed to have come earlier from Canada. It is the Rapido Trains 2024 Christmas Mystery Box in HO scale. I ordered one last year, and I got, I think, a grain hopper, a tanker, that are both Procore. I mispronounced it Procore last year's video. And a beautiful Diller & Hudson Alco RS11, number 5005. That was my DCC sound engine. In this box, I believe I got ornaments. I got a Kit Kat bar, Rapido. I didn't get your sea salt or dark chocolate in the blue packaging. This year, I'm told it is in the red packaging. So without further rambling or ado, I'm going to go ahead and open the box a little bit. Now, sensitive information like the invoice obviously will not be showing. So, yeah. Well, we can watch Jonathan struggle to open the box anyway. So I guess we'll start here. Come on. There we go. Something happened. There we go. That's better. Let me look at this without showing anything to the camera, because I'm pretty sure that is the invoice. Yeah, it's the invoice. Here you go, Mom. Thank you, Mommy, for being my cell phone camera woman. Mm-hmm. My dad's here somewhere, but he's not camera worthy, at least so he thinks. To be fair, though, I'm not camera worthy. I'm having to wear one of his hats. So if you're wondering why, Jonathan, this Sweetsy hat's too small, that's why. So sorry. All right. Rapido has given me an extra piece of cardboard. Appreciate it. And a lot of packing peanuts. Oh, lost one. Peanut overboard. All right. Oh. I can see the engine, but I don't want to spoil that. I want to do the non-model railroad stuff items I can find without too many packing peanuts going overboard first. And what is this? The first non-railroad item. We have a... Get it off. Get off. I'm talking to the peanuts. I'm sorry. Oh, the other item just wanted to come with it. Last year's box came with a like a ball ornament. This year, in this green bag from like my buddy Stirling of Ravenhawk6910 on YouTube, his box. And this year they came in a clear plastic thing. This year they come in this green thing. It is a star ornament. Come on, I'm hoping for blue at least. Well, no, it's not blue. But it is red. I love that. That's the front and has a EMD E8 on the back. That is nice. This is the 2024 ornament, and it is a star. And the thing that I tried to grab that wanted to come with the star, the star wanted to come with, I'm sorry. Bear with me here. I'll ramble and chatter through this eventually. Is a mug. I love my bubble wrap. Thanks, Rapido, for the bubble wrap. Okay, well, we don't have time for that. We'll open that later. All right. And we've got one of their new items in the box. A Via Rail colored beanie. Mom's going, ooh.
Also known as a boggin. I call it a boggin.
Well, yeah, Mom and Dad can talk. They don't have to show themselves, but they can talk. Say hi if you want. Hello. That's Dad. Okay, for a historical fact, Canadians in Canada, so Rapido themselves, since they're based in Canada, call this a turbin.
Hey.
Mm-hmm.
Turbin, hey.
And, opening's here, this side. But it is a Turbin.
Open it tomorrow, eh?
So you can wear it.
I'm going to Three Rivers Rambler tomorrow, so I
No.
may need to wear this.
I'd put it on first and then put the hat on over it.
Yeah. Sorry.
Is that like
Sorry, Internet. You get to see my bad bed hair. But anyway.
Okay, here we go.
See if I can wear it. It's probably crooked, but
It's alright.
I can wear it.
There we go. Okay.
This is a beanie, by the way, Rapido. This will always be a beanie because America.
Mm-hmm. Mark. Okay.
Let me see if that's all the non-model railroad items.
Here you
No,
go.
it ain't.
This
No,
is-
it's not.
Here.
Because they surprised me by giving me a shirt. And it's not just any shirt, a Via Rail shirt that is way too small. But anyway.
Mhm.
It's the thought that counts. Thanks, Rapido. I didn't get a shirt in the last box.
There's your mug.
And let's show off. It's the 20th anniversary mug with their bus that they say always breaks down as kind of a running gag in the videos.
Mm-hmm.
All right, now the part everybody's been waiting for. I think me and Stirling is going to be twins on the engine. But let's get into the models. I think, let me count them before I see what they are. I got 3, which is an improvement on last year's box. I got 2. The first one is a Great Northern boxcar. Steam Arrow boxcar. Love that.
Okay.
And, oh, a signed postal card, 20th anniversary card from Rapido. Thanks, Rapido. That's nugget. And another Procore piece of rolling stock. This is another grain hopper, but it's the more modern one. The more heavily sought after. Nice. Nice. Oh, forgot this one. Yay, I got a chocolate bar that is Rapido branded.
Mm-hmm.
It is dark chocolate and sea salt. Can't talk, sea salt. There you go. Last piece of rolling stock is a Southern Pacific Steam Arrow boxcar.
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. Awesome, man. That is really good. Really good. Now, Mom and Dad, this is 2 engines. DCC and sound. You want to know how I know they're 2? If you look at the box a little bit, they're upside down right now. Well, let me flip them on the box right side up. Packing peanuts that are on it is trying to hide their identity. It is another Alco, but I don't mind because it's their brand new 4-axle Alco, which is the Alco FA. The B unit is a -2, the A unit is a -1.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see, what road did I get? And I got Great Northern. The A unit is number 442A and 442B. With ESU lock sound, which is super nice. This is 2 engines.
Cool.
So yes, if Stirling, if you watch this video on YouTube when I upload it, probably either before or after the Three Rivers Rambler video, we're Alco FA twins. Because Stirling got a Lehigh Valley set, so which is absolutely amazing. And let me put the box on the floor and organize it in a way that it would be a good photo op and show everything I got. All right, let's see. That'll go here, and that'll go there. Well, I can just tilt them. There we go. There we go. This is a process. Don't worry. That'll work. And there's the shirt and the beanie right there, and the 20th anniversary mug. Transition off of Mommy filming to me filming. Okay, let me see if I can get this tilted up a little bit. Sorry about that. But there we go. Oh, Mom now laid the clothing out better. There we go. There we go. I'm sorry for the silence. I took pictures while I was filming. I can do that on my smartphone. But anyway, now I'm gonna take back over for a second. Thanks everyone for tuning in to us unboxing our Rapido mystery box. Thank you, Rapido. I have my first AB set of a full cowl diesel, which is awesome. Always awesome. Because that's technically 2 engines. And anyway, thank y'all for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you on down the line.